Yes, Mr. Sakhan.
Yes, Lordship. But I would be allowed to move 10 numbers of AB unlisted.
Monday.
No, Lordship, actually, at item number 8, similar matter, we filed yesterday because paucity of time. Already
Those matters.
Yes.
We have provided you with a liberty because you were medically unfit.
Yes.
And those 10 people are also medically unfit.
No, same person. Same person. 11 different districts.
We'll have it on. He's already released. He's fit now. Let him participate.
No, Lordship, one
Monday.
One AB is listed today. Item number 8.
We'll consider it. Monday.
It is already numbered, Lordship. Yeah. Number 43 to 53.
Do you expect that the court, you have presumed that the court would pass a bail order in your favor?
No, at least CD can be. So, bless Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16.
Huh?
I beg to mention item number 16, Lordship. I am for the petitioner.
Why?
In fact, Lordship, here I was supposed to file this rejoinder.
Forget the rejoinder.
It will be filed today, Lordship. So therefore, may I present, Lordship?
Forget the rejoinder.
Yes.
That amount that you're claiming.
Yes, Lordship.
They have not admitted that.
That is why, Lordship, we are filing rejoinder.
How can you, by way of your own, you'll have to go before the competent civil court now.
Lordship, let me file this rejoinder and let the matter be this come upon Monday. And Lordship,
Tuesday. On the prayer of Mr.
D. Kamduk,
list this matter again on Tuesday. Tuesday ka date dejiye.
Your Lordship mentioned the AB. Yesterday for you. Sorry, for 2 p.m. Sir.
No.
My lord, item number 28, I may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition.
Oh, you want to withdraw it?
Yes.
Your good name?
Tapi Omo, T. Omo. Yes.
On the prayer made on behalf of Mr. T. Omo, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he is under instructions from the petitioners not to press the present petition at this stage. Accordingly, he prays that he may be permitted to withdraw the same. So prayer accepted, writ petition stands
my lord,
as withdrawn.
My lord, with the liberty to file afresh.
Why?
My lord, the issue raised by them has been resolved.
Why are you withdrawing it?
My lord, withdrawing
because we protected you.
Yes, my lord. Now, urgency is that, my lord, everything has been stalled by that order.
We have not stalled it.
No, Your Honor.
Have we stalled it?
No.
The authority has taken everything's ready.
My lord, my humble submission. My lord, in this case, the issue raised by petition that has been resolved. Their grievances was that 4% reservation has been given to the PWD. That has been done, my lord. That is the order we have, my lord. Then nothing is.
My lord, that may be
liberty is reserved to the petitioners. In the event there arises any fresh cause of action with regard to the issue that has been raised in the present proceedings.
My lord, that may be recorded.
And
this order may be recorded.
And the interim order may be vacated, my lord.
Interim order, if any, shall stand vacated.
My lord, I may be allowed to bring on the record the authority signed by the petitioner.
No. Your word is enough for me.
Deeply honored.
Deeply honored.
You keep that with you in your records.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 20. On behalf of Special PP SIT. CD was called, but we have yet to receive CD.
Have you informed the petitioner?
Yes, Lordship. Kindly matter may be fixed on
12. On the prayer made on behalf of the Special PP SIT. List this matter again after
12 on 12th of this month.
On list this matter again on 12/3/2024. Yes,
Your Lordship. I beg to mention one AB, Your Lordship.
AB?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Today?
Yes, Your Lordship. Obligation.
May I please? I beg to mention item number 13. We are for the petitioner. We have already taken the consent from the opposite party. Kindly fix that may be given.
Your name?
M. Khambo, on behalf of leading counsel Arsona, yes.
On a prayer made on behalf of Mr. Arsona, list this matter again.
For 13.
After when?
13.
13
of
3
March.
2020.
My Lordship, Lordship, I would like to mention one petition unlisted, Lordship.
What
for
is that?
today. Urgency, Lordship, the learned ADC has first decided the title of the land. On that
Monday.
basis,
Monday.
Lordship, work
Monday.
has been carried out by the private
Huh?
respondent.
What?
Work has been carried out by the private respondent.
Fine. Monday. Nothing is going to fall. This is not a matter. Monday.
Wait, please, Lordship. I beg to mention one unlisted matter, Lordship. Urgent anticipated with application.
Anticipated.
First
First half में लेके आने बोली. Yes,
May I please, my lord? Back to mention item number 30, my lord.
13,
30, 30,
criminal.
my lord.
Why? On the prayer of Mr. O. Pada, learned special PP,
My lord.
not objected to by the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter again on. After 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
Oblige me.
Lordship, item number 29, Your Lordship, in this matter. Lordship,
It's that pay scale.
Yes.
You have admittedly not followed the directions of this court. You are for the university.
yes, Your
Yes,
Lordship,
ma'am.
I missed. On behalf of Mr. A. Apang.
That's your case.
Yes,
9-5
yes,
was not
yes.
followed.
Mr. Apang is not very well, so.
Okay, fine. On a prayer made on behalf of Mr. A. Apang, learned senior counsel, appearing for the respondent university, not objected to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. We'll have it then after, if he is not keeping well, we'll have it after 2 weeks.
No, my lord, next week, when I understand, my lord, he can be available. next
Will he
week.
be in a position to come?
Lordship,
List this matter again on 14,
14th.
14/3/2024, right?
Thir-
13,
13.
13/3/20.
Oblige.
Oh,
Wait, please. Lord.
Yes,
Earlier, my lord, there was a directorate of school education. Now, that was bifurcated,
now tell me one thing.
my lord.
If you come to page 30,
My lord.
right?
Yes,
Now, this is the actual bifurcation,
yes.
huh?
Hmm.
Wherein the list has been given in 31 and 32.
Yes, by this time,
No, I'm on a different thing altogether. Now, in respect of the elementary education directorate, we find 13, 14, 15, 3 posts.
yes,
Actually, how many posts had come?
I'm not aware, my lord.
So that's where the whole issue is.
From here, I find 5. From the next page,
Come to page 31,
33, my lord. Yes, 31, I have seen here 3 in respect of elementary education.
elementary education.
And in
And
respect of
in respect
secondary,
of director of school education,
secondary education, my lord.
secondary education, you have 2,
Yes,
right?
yes,
So this is the allotment of posts
Yes.
made by the government while bifurcating.
yes,
Now, Purkhasta admittedly had retired by this time.
yes.
He retired sometime in
On
31/12,
31/12, yes,
right?
yes.
So, Mr. Counsel, what is the position? Once you have allotted this post
Yes,
to
and
the
by, before that, my lord,
elementary education,
once it has been bifurcated, school education
My lord,
has ceased to exist.
my lord.
Just a moment, I'm just clarifying. School education has ceased to exist. The problem arose
but
because,
the problem is
because-
because they continued with that school.
no, my lord,
education
because the
designation.
director of school education became the director of secondary education, he was under the misconceived notion that he's still controlling
No.
it.
They had a reason for that. They continued with that designation only to facilitate release of salaries because that change had not taken place in the AG office and in the treasury.
In any
But
case, he
my
is not
question is, once you have allotted
yes,
3 posts and Purkhasta by that time
retired.
had already retired,
Yes.
how could you have used this post in the secondary education?
My lord,
If you have a valid reason, let me know. That's the issue.
yes. My lord, at page 30, my lord, see at last paragraph, my lord. Now, this is proper, my lord,
I'm
that is-
sorry, you have made a mistake. BJD Purkhayastha was not an existing employee. as
Yes,
of
yes, my lord, that
12th
is,
January.
my lord, what happened, my lord, he was retired, my lord, under Director Health Service, my lord, under Director Education, my lord. Director
School
School
Education.
Director Education.
Mr.
on-
Council,
Yeah, my lord,
you are the authority who knows everything,
my lord.
right? When you pass this order on 12/1/2011 with this breakup,
My lord.
right? So 3 posts have to exist with the elementary education department. Forget Mr. Purkhayastha.
My lord.
Forget Purkhayastha.
My lord.
Whoever he is, he's gone.
My lord, that is, my lord, pursuant to that page 34, my lord, we have released, my lord, but his post has not been released to the DE, my lord.
No, how could you? How could you, when the government had taken this decision?
My lord.
Who is the DSC to go override this?
My lord.
Clarify on that. I think you have not examined the matter in that light. Clarify that. See,
My lord, my lord.
government has given amongst you, I
Yes,
say
yes,
you
ma'am.
take 5, you take 5.
Yes, my lord.
Now you cannot on your own say, no, I'll only give 4, I'll not give 5.
My lord.
There has to be a change in this, which I don't find anyway, neither in your reply,
My
in
lord.
your affidavit. If 3 posts have been allotted, those
Right.
3 posts must function. Give us the status
My lord.
from that day
My lord.
and immediately after the actual bifurcation allocation.
My lord.
How could the director of secondary education also 1 post when the government had given it to the other wing? He is confusing me. That's a different.
My lord, my lord, that,
But you
that
give
is,
the clarification.
my lord, that,
He is known for that.
my lord, that I have to take instruction, my lord.
You have to. We'll have it on Monday or Tuesday.
My lord, my
Not
Monday. it
beyond
will
that. I've read it. I've
Yes.
spent time. Judicial time.
be- Can it be 13, my lord?
Ready.
Because,
Done.
because then.
Done. On the prayer made on behalf of Mr. T.
Tagum.
Agum, Learned Standing Council, Department of School Education. List this matter again on 13/3/2024. Mr. Tabum shall on the next day fix, clarify as to why the 3 posts allotted, 3 posts of superintendent, 3 posts of superintendent allotted to the Directorate of Elementary Education was not so allowed to function from the Directorate of Elementary Education, and as to how the Director of School Education / Director of School Secondary Education could, at his own volition, retain one of such posts with the Directorate of Secondary Education.
Exactly.
Okay. An answer clarification on that,
My lord,
if you can satisfy,
my lord,
he goes.
my lord,
Otherwise, whatever action you have taken, now you'll have to bring that post.
my lord, my lord.
Because there is a stagnation admittedly.
My lord.
Okay.
Item number 2.
Yes. Page 56, where is the receipt of this?
Yes, my lord. Page 56, my lord.
This is the application for land allotment, nothing?
Yes, yes, yes.
No date, nothing?
My
No
lord,
receipt? Was this only made for the purpose of this case?
one more application, my lord.
Where?
This is,
So this one gone.
my lord, in fact, the petitioner has billed, my lord, may I please to see the photograph, my lord.
Mr. Counsel, just satisfy me on 2 points. That the authority who had issued this order,
Yes, my lord.
the estate officer
Yes.
as well as the deputy commissioner did not have jurisdiction.
My lord,
Because your case is that this land does not belong to that area, but to some village. What is that?
Yes, my
village?
lord.
Chata-
Cheta 1.
Cheta 1.
Yes,
So
notice,
Cheta 1 falls within the district of Lower Dibang Valley.
yes, my lord.
It is a village, my lord. It is a notified village, my lord. And then the petitioners, the house is just boundary.
Because see, they had brought on record documents to show that the entire area, 403 or something, 403, was given to that school.
My lord, that is their the
You have not
contention.
brought on any material, any record.
But my lord, if lordship may please to see this allotment which they have perused the page, only one page in the
Page.
right. This is the which they have
This one.
perused. May I just take make
We are not on this 403. We are, see, it's somewhere here in the record.
403. They are saying that it is allotted lane, but then
I'm not on, sir.
yes, my lord.
Show me anything that you have. Adverse possession will not come here. What is the right for you to hold that land? Just show me that. And I would have considered your case if there was a proper application for allotment. I would have directed them. But I don't find any application here legally met, and they have denied that in their.
Basically,
reply.
what happened is, especially in the district, even if we file application, also, they hardly issue the receipt also, my lord. That is in the, especially in the district, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Counsel,
my
I've accepted your.
Yes, my lord.
But see, this is a court of record.
Yes, my lord.
They have filed an affidavit wherein they have categorically stated that this document we have not got. You have not filed a rejoinder to that.
My lord, that is, my lord. We have not filed a rejoinder, but then my lord, electricity bill and everything is there, my lord. On that basis, we have filed application, my lord.
That will not give you a right, Mr. Counsel.
But my application is still pending before the authority.
Where is that application? Show me that, because they have denied that.
Application, my lord, is a page which your lordship has shown the 56.
There is
my lord.
nothing here.
Yes, ma'am. There's no
Yes,
date
madam.
and time. ma'am.
You have not even put a date.
And my lord, one more application, but it's same application, 48 also, my lord. It's,
48.
yes, my lord. There's one another application, my lord. He has been keep filing applications, my lord.
Whose is this seal in the top?
This is of the deputy commissioner, my lord. So he has been filing repeatedly application for the allotment, my lord. Usually Allah section 12, usually especially in the town areas, basically it comes under allotted areas. If not allotted area, I can occupy and I can get allotment from the department. And the allotment has to be done by the deputy commission
But in a town area.
in town area.
But you say you're not in the town area.
But
You
it's
say you're in
it's a
village.
border to Cheta village, my
No,
lord.
you say your catechetical statement is I'm not in the town, I'm in the village.
My submission is that it doesn't fall under the
Then
map of that this one.
Then if it is beyond the town area. how
Even
can
in
you
the
make that
my lord,
statement?
in impugn order, my lord, state officer, they are not able to show that they are not able to show the boundaries.
Only thing, let me know whether you have any authority to occupy that land.
Well, we don't have authority, my lord, especially in Arunachal, especially in the village area, we can file for the land position certificate. In the town area, if it is not
Yes,
allotted to anyone,
Yes,
we can
but
occupy,
there,
my lord.
Poor man working.
Yes,
is
my
a
lord.
casual labor, wife is also casual labor.
But my lord,
We will uphold your action, but before you evict him, consider his case for
in
That will be my
in some
prayer, my
other
lord.
place, my lord.
wherever you give it. You
Not
can't
that
have a
place,
demand for that place.
Yes, ma'am, because that area is been earmarked for the education department. So my lord, some other place we can try my lord.
You can give him anywhere, give him somewhere where he can stay with his family. You have been doing that for all, do it for him also.
Some other place, my lord.
Till that time, don't evict. from
Yes,
him.
ma'am.
Your house and all, we are not going to protect. Only thing, a parcel of land will be given to you if you are entitled, and they will consider. Will that do?
No, that will okay.
Hmm? But the house and all you have considered,
But till-
constructed, that will go.
Till
This
they
will go. Till
they
that time,
consider-
they will not disturb,
up like that, that's all.
right?
Yes.
But, Mr. Counsel, we are not going to protect your house. We'll only say you can be evicted after your application, you make an application within 15 days. And they will consider that.
Till
Who-
then, I
who?
should.
Deputy Commissioner.
Yes, my lord. Till
Deputy
then,
Commissioner Lower Dibang, na?
Yes, my lord.
Lower Dibang Valley will consider your application in terms of the policy in place.
Madam, I just want to point out is that even if it is a government lane, they are supposed to give the revenue and it has to be allotted. Whereas,
That doesn't lie in your mouth.
Yeah.
Are you paying revenue? Are you paying revenue?
in the village areas, my lord, we don't pay, but in town area we pay if it's allotted, my lord.
Then now do you say this is, you have two stands, this is village, this is town. Stick to one.
My submission is bounded to that.
We'll not say anything. We'll only say, seeing your condition, we'll only say that the deputy commissioner within a specified time, if you submit an application within 15 days, will consider in terms of the policy in place and thereafter pass appropriate orders. Right? Till that order is passed, you will not be evicted.
No issue.
Because why I'm saying so, there is already a stay order.
Yes, my
here.
lord.
Dispose of the.
Obliged.
And number 3, 4, 5,
7, my lord.
7.
CD, my lord.
Heard Mr. D. Pani and also Mr. Upada, done it, special PP. A list above. This is an application preferred by the applicant, praying for enlarging the accused on bail in connection with SIC PS case number 03/2023 under section 120B, page 2 में मिल जाएगा, green color. So and 400 red with so and so. So list this matter again on
18th, my lord.
18/3/2024. On the next date, the learned council, learned special PP shall produce the updated case diary in the matter.
My lord.
Same order in case number, in item number 3, 4, 5, and 7. They have now filed another 10 applications. You are
My
talking
lord.
of.
My lord. All right.
These people, I was inclined, but when I found that they are still working and they have appointed alleged persons, relatives,
My lord.
they are good people. Thought about their relatives at least.
His lordship, my lord, this quashing of the conviction, my lord.
Not
application.
convinced. Not convinced.
My lord, at least, my lord,
This is not a short circuit. 482 is not a short circuit, sir.
in other words, lordship can reduce the amount that has already been spent, my lord.
Well, not, why
custody.
should we? You face the music.
Here, my lord, small
No,
place,
see, if
there are
there was a incident which involved two people, it would have been different, but this is a bigger offense.
the youth, my lord,
See the manner in which the learned trial court had dealt with the matter. Everything has been brought on record. How you did it, who brought the materials from you. There are many, many angles here.
everything, my lord.
Take an adjournment. Want me to hear it? I'll dismiss it. Want it? Take an adjournment. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, list this matter after 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Like,
Item number 8.
Yes.
Can it be taken along with all other
No,
unlisted
we'll
matters?
take this. Call for the CD. You're not passing orders. Mr. Pada, when?
My lord, on 19th or 20th, my lord.
19.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. K. Saxena, learned counsel for the petitioner. Applicant, for the applicant. Who's up? The present application also heard Mr. Opada, special PP, SIC, BIG. The present application is filed by the applicant praying for pre-arrest bail in connection with SIC, BI bracketed VIG, PS case number 7 of 2024 under section 120 bracketed B /420 /468 /471 /409 IPC, read with section 13(2) of the PC Act 1988. Full stop. Issue notice. Mr. O. Pada on the next date fixed shall produce the updated case diary in the matter. Full stop. List this matter again on 19.
My lord.
15.
Too early, my lord. My lord, there are, I think, like 11 applications, my lord. And we need to update the CD, my lord. Despite
11 are all separate.
separate, but then, my lord,
You will have to take that trouble. You have registered 11 cases, so you
This
have
is
to
here,
take
my
that
lord.
trouble also.
Lord, so kindly come to page number 32.
Huh?
then let it be on
Page number
19th, my lord.
13.
32. Serial number 9.
Hmm.
Refer
You proceed.
Refer to higher center.
You proceed.
further-
You proceed. On the next date, we will see.
Some interim, Lord, sir.
See,
Because,
this matter, if we
appears-
provide for you interim, then we will have to provide bail to all.
some
The
interim
kingpin,
because
if we are, not like this. That
appears-
day,
appears
now you are
to be
better.
high.
That day, the only consideration was you being in ICU. But I
Still-
find that the next day itself,
still-
you were discharged.
Lordship still.
So, suffer. कितना तारीख दिया? 19.
19th.
19 to. Other cases also 19 to.
Oblige, my
All
lord.
the 10.
All the cases, my lord.
All no, they will come and pass orders on 19 to everything together.
My lord.
August.
Number 9.
Yes. Yes, Mr. What do you say?
My lords, I'm told that,
He has made out a case that it's a single bid.
yes, committee, in order to save the time and money, they have recommended one single, but work has been already about, if he could have come earlier. Now subsequent
Now, tell
development.
me one thing.
My lord.
You are projecting here. You were a participant.
Yes, my lord.
Your bid was rejected.
Rejected, my lord.
Why did you not challenge?
My
You're
lord,
not an eligible bidder at all. Why should we entertain this application on your behalf?
no, my lord, that I have also mentioned because it was
See,
only on the
you-
ground that,
You made a bid.
yes, ma'am.
You should be eligible.
Ma'am.
It seems that at the very stage where the examination of eligibility was made, you were held to be ineligible.
My lord, that,
You have not
that,
challenged that.
no, my lord, that I have made an amendment also, my lord. It was only on the ground that the bank guarantee, my lord. EMD,
Why did you not challenge that?
because my lord,
Now see,
Since-
the other person's bid,
my lord,
the price value has also been opened. We
Well-
find that you have alleged that the whole thing,
my lord,
that range that you have given,
my lord,
wherein he has quoted the
Yes.
rate, which is beyond the variable range
my lord.
permissible. You have your instructions.
Now I have instruction that work has been already awarded.
Abundant,
Yes,
abundant.
awarded.
Awarded.
Yes, awarded.
That, my lord, we are not aware, my lord, as my lord has put a query, my lord. Since it was a single bid, my lord, there was going to be a retender.
No.
That's why, my lord.
My question
My lord.
is, this is not a case wherein you have not participated. You
Ye-
participated.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, how can you, because you were ineligible, subsequently they take a decision that no, because of this, we are proceeding.
My lord.
Why should we come in your favor?
No, my lord, that's why, my lord. Because otherwise also, my lord, I have stated in my petition also, my lord.
You serve notice on the,
My lord.
we'll consider, serve notice on the private respondent. Can you,
My lord, it is from Dibrugarh, my lord, since,
take notice?
take state, my lord.
Take,
My lord,
on the next
otherwise-
date, we will consider.
My lord, that work has also not been started, my lord.
Fine,
Let
we'll make
status-
it subject to outcome. Don't worry. But Mr. D. Sukhi, learned counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. G.
Tara.
Tara, learned Rural Works Department, Study
Yes.
Council Rural Development Department. Also, issue notice, returnable 3 weeks. 4 weeks. Mr. G. Tara, learned Standing Council Rural Works Department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
5.
No formal notice be issued. However, requisite extra copies be served to the learned standing council. Full stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 6 by way of registered post with AD. Show me that document wherein that variation is there.
My lord, it is a financial with evaluation, my lord, that it's at page 34.
And Mr. Where is that NIT, full NIT?
NIT, my lord. NIT is at, my lord, page 24, my lord.
Is there a variation clause there, 10%? Is there a variation?
No,
clause
my lord,
that-
not in the NIT, my lord.
It's not there.
My lord.
It is submitted at the bar that the contract in pursuance to the NIT involved in the present proceedings has already been awarded to the respondent number 6. Accordingly, such award of the contract is made subject to further orders that would be passed in the matter on the next date on appearance of the respondent number 6 in the matter.
Otherwise, my lord, illegality, my lord.
See, only thing is that you take an advantage. You should have challenged your that thing.
Yes.
My lord,
Then we would have understood.
my lord, I did not challenge because there was a assurance that that first tender would be there.
Let the
And we were
government-
kept
let
in
the
dark all
government
along.
Get the work done on such a low rate.
Yes.
Otherwise, he'll be blacklisted. Next time your roads will be open.
But then, my lord,
I did not like the way it was not very appealing. Your conduct.
my lord, that
Next
is
day-
another
next
thing, my
day-
lord, but
Next day, let him come, we will see. You take steps promptly. Take steps promptly. I don't know. Mr. Counsel, why should we come in now? Why should we come in now? Statutorily, you have a provision for appeal.
Lordship, in my
Whatever
petition,
is there, take it there.
Lordship, as per the direction of the by appeal authority only, this order has been passed by the respondent number
Be
3.
that as it may. Section 12.
Yes, Lordship.
So, Lordship, at least till the day, Lordship, the operation of that impugn order.
No,
will be
that
suspended.
appeal, we will not come in, Mr. Counsel.
Order was
You-
passed on 23rd February, Lordship.
April 22, 23, 2, 2024.
23, Lordship.
23, 2.
Yes,
23
Lordship.
too.
Lordship, however, I have received the order only on.
Fine. We'll give you a week's time.
Lordship.
Prefer the appeal. Disposal. Party ka naam le lijiye sir.
Lordship, at least 10 days may be given, Lordship.
10 days. Yes.
An impugn order which I am challenging the provisional appointment which is issued by the Director of Agriculture. Even in the name, respondent number 3 is not found in the sanction list of the provisional seniority list.
So the respondent number 9, private respondent has been appointed provisionally.
Provisionally.
Subject to the selections.
Subject to DP.
Your case is that in terms of the rule that is holding the field, he does not have the qualification.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Preme. How could he have been appointed when he does not even fulfill the qualification?
Let notice maybe go, my lord.
Every case, why notice is required? When Mr. Preme is there, that is enough for us.
Then, my lord, I need to take instruction, my lord.
Why? Where is that order? Impugn order?
Impugn
Page
order is
15.
in page 13.
15.
15, yeah.
See, the law is, if you don't have the eligibility to hold the post on regular basis, you cannot be put there on ad hoc basis also. This is an ad hoc appointment. Nothing is there.
True, my lord, but then this is leave the petitioner, my lord. I need to take
Okay.
instruction whether he is
Okay,
eligible.
okay, where is he? Where is he posted?
Long day.
Longding. List this matter again on 14/3/2024. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall serve an extra copy of the petition on Mr. Preme. Mr. Preme shall forward the said application, said petition to the office of the District Agriculture Officer Longding for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 before the next date fixed. The respondent shall inform the respondent number 4 that The official state respondent shall inform the respondent number 4 that the matter is again fixed on 14/3/2024 for further consideration. Full stop. And he is required to appear in the matter on that date. Otherwise, orders as may be called for shall be passed in the matter. Give me extra copy now,
Yes.
sir. Please do that.
Then till that day, interim may be given.
No, he's already working, let him work.
Obvious.
Yes, Mr. Praveen. What did you get?
My lord, I'm informed this, my lord. This is the status now, my lord. As part of 7 pay commission. Now, minimum, in case of my lord, if my lord allow my petition, my lord.
No, we are not here. We are before this. We are in the earlier stage,
My lord.
right? This is not here. This has not been brought on record in this proceedings. So 5,200 is been now revised
To 18,000, my lord.
18,000.
18,000.
And you are getting 15,000.
No, my lord, I getting 7,000, I believe. 15, my lord, is pertaining to my lord.
No, you are getting 15,000.
15,000, in case of 15,000, my lord, I will entitle my lord, 25,500, my lord. Pay, great payment is of 2,400, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Counsel. After the 7th CPC,
Yes,
it's also applicable to your bank
No.
then. What is the minimum now?
My
in your
lord,
bank?
the bank operation totally, my lordship,
You will finish.
Yes, sir.
If the scale is to be given, the bank will close down.
It's a cooperative bank, my lord.
No, what is the minimum of a grade 4 employee in yours?
Yes, that was, lordship, there is
No,
5,000.
that is before the revision.
Yes. No, for the, my lord, we have not revised.
You just have an instruction whether the pay was revised,
Yes.
because this is something of 2018,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Just get an instruction whether this pay of grade 4 was revised subsequently,
Yes.
right?
Yes, lordship.
If that has been revised subsequently, I think they are also entitled to that minimum of that, right?
Yes.
Minimum of the pay scale,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
If it is not revised, if this is the situation, we'll pass orders,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
After some time?
Yes.
After some time. When you have, get the information.
Yes, sir, I'll inform.
Eviction.
Wait, yes. sir.
Yes.
So basically,
Lordship, my senior is having some health issues, so he is late today, Lordship. May pass over this for timing, Lordship.
time being.
Time being,
Yes,
or
sir.
for the day.
For timing, Lordship.
He's
sir.
coming, he's having health issues.
Yes, Lordship.
Then no need. When are you coming next?
My lord,
You can join online also, no problem. Next week he'll be fine.
Yes. Okay.
Only thing we have to just hear him, that's all.
my lord.
I've
Or
heard you-
I can place my facts, my lord.
I've
if-
heard you, that
My lord.
two people, that's the case.
Yes.
Huh.
If your lordship just allow me for 5 minutes, my lord, and very brief, my lord. But
Madam, we'll give you an opportunity, don't worry,
Well,
have a seat.
I can therefore for his reply, my lord, I can join online also. My lord, the suit is for under section 6 of the specific relief act. Now, what was the contention of the plaintiff in the suit is that since 1980,
You are in possession.
through my predecessor, I was in possession. After her death, we have been possessing the land. Now, the cause of action arising for this suit was 6/11/2022. my lord. On that day, the defendants, they have illegally dispossessed me from the land. Now, admittedly, this land is a government land. in 1990, my predecessor applied for some allotment and there were some communication of the authorities which proves that there was a proposal for allotment which was forwarded to the government. Be that as it may, that has not attained any result out of it. But we were in possession. 2015, he again attempted to encroach upon my land and some complaints were made. He was so caused and then we could protect our possession. 2022 May, again he dumped some construction materials. There were some orders by the estate officer against the defendants that you cannot construct. 6/11, we have been ousted from 130 square meters of the out of the 2000 square meters, which I have described in Schedule B of the plea. Now, the initially
Rest is still under your position.
Rest is still under my position. For 130 meters, I was dispossessed. Basically the suit property is 130 square meter, that is Schedule B. Now, along with this suit, we also filed an application under Order 39, Rule 1 and 2, restraining the opposite parties from making any further construction over the land and from disposing me from the rest of the land. These were the two prayers. The learned civil judge by 1905. Before that, the learned civil judge, page 64, passed an ex parte ad interim injunction in my favor, directing both the parties to maintain status quo and also ordered that no further construction until the court passes any order. The notice was issued. They have filed a written statement, written objection to the injunction application. They have denied my possession over that land. They have claimed that no, since 2005 I am in possession. So that's the issue of fact which has to be decided by the court. Additionally, they have raised a maintainability issue, saying that as it is a government land, it has not been allotted in favor of anybody, and therefore the civil court will have no jurisdiction over that. Any order of eviction has to be done by the estate officer. Now the order that is under challenge before your lordship is 1905, page 120. May I just read it?
You can come straight.
Facts
are there.
Yes.
You can
Straightly, I will come to page 123, Melo. The findings of the court bill. Coming to the objection of yes. Coming to the objection of jurisdiction, learned counsel states that the present case is not against the government. It is not necessary to make them a party. The word suit or proceeding as mentioned under section 19 of the AP Authorized Unauthorized Occupants Act refers to the suit and proceeding provided under section 5, 6, 7, 8 of the Act, which empowers the estate officer to evict unauthorized occupants, remove unauthorized construction, and can order demolition of unauthorized construction. And as no order has been passed by the estate against the plaintiff, they have no grievance against the estate officer, and section 19 of the AP Public Premises and Unauthorized Occupants Act only bars the jurisdiction of a court to try in and suit or proceeding against the orders passed by the estate officer. And as such, there is no question of bar of jurisdiction in the case. And the plaintiff being in possession for a long period of time, they are entitled to be protected by the relief of temporary injunction, and the act of the defendant constructing the pig shed has changed the nature of the land, thereby affecting the case of the plaintiff. I'll skip this is there is judgment which relates next page. Heard both learned counsel and perusal of the plaintiff show that it is not the case of the plaintiff that the defendant have encroached upon 130 square meters of their allotted 400 square meters of land. Their claim is that the defendant encroached upon 130 square meters of 2000 square meters of land occupied by them since 1998. Even if this court concedes for a moment that the total measuring 2000 square meters was under the possession of late C.C. Zonke since the year 1998, but it is evident that the land allotment was only granted for land measuring 300 square meters. No, it is not correct actually. There was no allotment in favor of me. And irrespective of the fact that there was a proposal for allotment over 300 square meters out of that 2000 square meters. and irrespective of the fact that late C.C. Jongkeng has applied for allotment over the remaining portion of the land, which is still under process. This makes them change, this does not make the change the nature of the property. It continues to remain the government land over which the Deputy Commissioner has exclusive jurisdiction to grant land allotment under AP Land Settlement and Records Act 2000. The court concedes that one need not prove his or her title over the land when the suit is merely filed for recovery of possession. But the peculiar facts of this case is that the matter of encroachment over the suit land is already within the cognizance of EAC cum estate officer, as seen from the so-called notices issued against the defendant. The plaintiff have also mentioned that the mention of the matter being subjudice before the EAC in the response to the so-and-so Kabang summons on 18/9/2022. After the alleged breach of status quo order passed by this court, the plaintiff have themselves brought the matter to the notice of the EAC, who has even sought the SP's intervention. As land in question is a public premises as defined under section 2(4) of the Act of 2003, and being a government land, the estate officer are the competent authority to adjudicate upon the matters pertaining to public premises. Learned counsel from the plaintiff has interpreted section 19 by stating that it only bars the civil court from interfering with any eviction, removal, or orders passed by the estate officer. But this court is of the opinion such interpretation would amount to taking away the powers of the estate officer. If the civil court can pass orders for eviction and removal of unauthorized occupant from a government land, and thereby defeating the entire purpose of the act. In the present case, the ultimate relief came by the petition is their peaceful possession over the suit land by evicting defendant number 1 and 2, anyone claiming through them, and handing over the property to the plaintiffs. If the very nature of the land was a private land, the indulgence of this court would have been warranted, and the plaintiff's possession deserves to be protected. But as eviction from the government land is a matter exclusively within the purview of an estate officer, any order passed by this court in the instant case will amount to undue interference with the powers of the ADC cum estate officer, who is the rightful authority to deal with this issue pertaining to public premises.
Where is that orders of the estate officer?
My lord, the page 38. This is a show cause
To the private respondent.
to the private respondent. This was of 2015. After this so cause, they could not reply, they could not show any reasonable ground, and thereafter
Now,
they
one
have,
thing.
my lord,
This is the first instance when you were sought to be.
when they
tried
attempted to
occupy that
encroach
land.
upon my land. Yes.
Okay, then.
Then page 41 was again a so cause to the private respondent. This is not a so cause, this is a order to stop construction activities. And your lordship will find in the first line a complaint is received from Bijoy Jonke. My lord, this is one of the appellant. My lord. These are the documents which why I have enclosed with my claim is that then the construction materials, everything were seized by the authorities by page 42.
But here, in page 38 also,
my lord,
the land, the details of the land or the how much square meter is involved, it's not.
It's not there. It's not there.
And after this 2015 notice, there is no further notice.
There is no further notice. They could not show any reasonable cause.
And no order was passed by the.
No order was passed, but we continued our possession.
Okay, and then.
Our possession was basically protected by this so cause.
Then this came in for page 41.
Yes.
22.
Page 41. Page 41. There was an attempt of encroach.
Second paragraph, where it is claimed that the said plot of land. Where is your complaint?
My lord.
Where is your complaint?
That complaint is not a part of the title suit.
There we will get what is the actual grievance you have raised.
But basically, yes.
Why don't you bring that on?
I can bring, but the issue which has fallen before your lordship.
I got it.
In fact, I'm the last.
The second part of the order, you say that's an issue which has not even arisen. And here, you're not bothered with that, you're only bothered with the recovery of your possession. That much only.
Because section 6 confines
only
it,
on the-
yes,
only
section
on the
6, section
right
6,
title interest will not come.
no title, even a recovery of possession, the restoration of possession, not of the plaintiffs over that land would not preclude the government from taking any action under the 2003 Act. Because that restoration of possession is only because the plaintiffs were illegally dispossessed. The section 6 scope is very limited. And I'll place a judgment of the Honorable Apex Court where it has been clarified on the scope of section 6, my lord.
Citation?
My lord, AIR 1968, Supreme Court 620. Please copy, my lord. Para 9 to 14, my lord.
9?
Para 9.
Reference was made to in India are not permitted to take possible, but they must obtain as the court. Under Indian law, possession of tenant has used to be a tenant under. No question of title either of the plaintiff can be raised or gone into a case under section 9. Right. Plaintiff will be entitled to succeed with the proving so and so.
One more judgment of 2013, my lord. One paragraph. Para 12. Para 12, my lord. A proceeding under section 6 of the specific relief act is intended to be a summary proceeding, the object of which is to afford an immediate remedy to an aggrieved party to reclaim possession of which he have been unjustly denied by an illegal act of disposition. Question of title or better right of possession does not arise for adjudication in a suit under section 6, where only issue required to be decided is whether the plaintiff was in possession at any time 6 months prior to the date of filing of the suit. The legislative concern underlying section 6 of the specific relief is to provide a quick remedy in case of illegal disposition. So basically, my lord, this is why I'm placing it for the purpose of showing that the scope of the section 6. Two more judgment, my lord. I'll just indicate the paragraphs.
Same thing, same proposition.
Same proposition of Bombay High Court, where the similar issues were before the Bombay High Court. My lord, here, para 16, 24, 25, and 27, my lord. I marked it, my lord. You can. So this is a well-settled position of law that section 6, what the court has to look into, that on the date, the alleged date of disposition, whether the plaintiff was dispossessed illegally without following the due process of law, and consequently the plaintiff has to be restored to possession. But this restoration of possession would also not preclude the parties who have a rightful claim over that land to recovery to evict me from that portion of land by process of law.
If we take it lightly, the question is, who would the government issue a notice for eviction? Whether you or her. That's the issue.
Yes. And now, my lord, if I may show, the act which has been referred to, 2003 Act.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Yes, my lord. Arunachal Pradesh Public Premise and Eviction Unauthorized Occupant Act 2003. It's a perimeter of that central act, my lord. Volume.
Which section you want?
My lord, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
That is the notice section.
Yes. These are the powers which are conferred to the estate officer. Now, how this estate officer will exercise this power? once the section 4 confers the power upon the estate officer to issue a show cause notice. If the estate officer is of an opinion that some unauthorized occupants has been occupying the government, the public premises. Section 4 prescribes the procedure of issuing show cause notices. Section 5 empowers the estate officer after hearing to order an eviction and to take possession of the public premises.
See, here in your case, it would be a contention that although a notice was issued in 2015 under section 4, but the subsequent action as required therein was never taken.
Never taken.
So the learned trial court ought not to have referred to those proceedings.
Those proceedings.
Because that proceedings never saw the light, and if it had actually taken place, the further proceedings not having undergone, so it cannot be said that the land is subject to a proceeding under this act.
In my respectful submission with the learned civil judge cannot go into all this aspect and has to see whether
Section 6.
before
Possession.
6/11/2022 I had the possession or not. And my lord, section 5 of this act, it empowers the estate officer to order eviction and to take possession of the public premises. Now, if the estate officer proceeds under this act, under any of, against any of the unauthorized occupant, he can evict him and he can take possession of the public premises. This section, in fact, does not give me an adequate remedy of getting my possession restored, as it is there under section 6.
I got it.
Now, my lord, the civil court's jurisdiction has been excluded by section 19, my lord, of this act. And it's very clear, my lord. The words of that provision is very clear that no court shall have jurisdiction to entertain any suit or proceeding in respect of eviction of any person who is in unauthorized occupation of public premises, the removal of any building, structure or fixture or goods, cattle or other
This
animals.
has not yet come in.
No. And this is not the subject matter of the suit. Had this been a subject matter of the suit, there would have been this a bar of the civil court jurisdiction. Because section 9 of the CPC, my lord, it confers jurisdiction over the civil court to try all suit, unless it is expressly or impliedly barred.
Anything more?
And even though, my lord, if it is inferred that there were some proceedings before the authorities and therefore the civil court will not enter into, it will be, my lord, it will be taking away the powers that is conferred under section 6 of the
Both
specific.
both the issues are totally different. The
Totally different.
trial court mixed up the issues.
Mixed up the issues.
Fine.
And in fact, my lord, in Daulatram Rakhani, the full bench of our High Court has clarified that even there is an exclusive bar, but if the statute which bars the jurisdiction of the civil court does not has any adequate remedy as the civil court will have, civil court jurisdiction will be there.
We need not go
Well,
that far.
it need not be.
We need not go
Need not.
Subject to his,
My lord.
let's see what he has.
And my lord, in fact, on the last two occasions, I have said that as my injunction application has been rejected only on the ground of maintainability, my lord will not decide the injunction on merits on the fact.
We'll clarify that and send it back. to
Yes.
you. Only that.
Yes.
Only that much. We are
And
not
for
going
that
in
reason, I'm not pressing the injunction
No,
application
no,
which
no,
I have
no,
filed.
we will not pass any orders. We'll only deal with the order.
The
of the trial.
clarify, the
That
whether
it's
this
maintainable.
whether
you
the civil
decide
court
on,
yes,
on
my
this
lord,
section
yes.
6 application 9, whether 6 months, prior to 6 months, you were there or not. That
Yes,
much only.
yes. And
But
in
the
fact,
rest-
in fact, your lordship would make an observation that this restoration of possession would not preclude the authority.
That we will clarify.
Well.
When, ma'am? Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday,
Yes, Your Lordship.
right?
Can it be Tuesday or Thursday?
Tuesday,
Okay,
Well-
Lordship.
heard Mr. B. Kaushik, Learned Counsel for the petition appellant. Mr.
Tirimi.
No, Learned Counsel appearing for the, who is appearing?
My name is there.
Who?
Leading counsel is SRE.
Senior counsel, Sani Remy. What is your name?
Tirimi.
T. Remy. Learned T. Remy, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that her senior arguing counsel, Mr. U. Deka,
Yes, Lord.
is unable to attend court today for some personal inconvenience. Accordingly, list this matter on 12/3/2024 for the 12/3/2024. Full stop. On the next date, the learned counsel for the respondent shall make his submissions. Shall make his submissions. You can join us from.
Malur keeps this as part hard manner.
List
further-
again on 12/3/2024 for further hearing.
Malur.
Lord.
I'll also place a,
Further hearing.
I'll also place a written argument.
Before
I'll-
that, if you can just.
Yes, I'll give. Deeply.
Don't make it too verbose so that it goes bouncer.
No,
Just the
I'll make
points.
it very brief.
Just the points.
That's it.
Otherwise, what we have understood, we will forget.
How like?
That verbally they have told me that they are moving
Can I
for the
have,
appointment.
Is Mr. Tapin around? Mr. Tapin? Or anybody appearing for the Food and Civil Supplies Department? You have a standing counsel, Food and Civil Supply?
I'm not aware of the allotment since then, sir.
Let's say appoint here, standing counsel, Food and Civil Supplies. Phone name. Huh? What is that? Oh, no, what Food Corporation of India. Yeah, Food and Civil Supplies. You have Food and Civil Supplies
No,
Department.
Lordship also the.
The Consumer Court comes under which department?
Consumer Court, Lordship.
No, consumer this thing, it's controlled by the government through a particular, in Assam, it's by the Food and Civil Supplies Department.
Even here also it's a food
Then
and
civil
supply. But then, as far as I'm concerned, Your Lordship, with regard to the standing council,
No, I'm not on the standing council. I just wanted to know what is the status of appointment of a chairman there,
I'll just inform.
Mr. Tapin. We'll have it after some time.
Hello.
You are a very habitual in nature. The allegations reveal.
Only allegations.
But be that as it may, that is enough. We are not in a position to take a call that you will not be involving yourself in such activities. You are the main initiator here. The allegation, that's enough. That will be subject to trial.
My respectful submission before that.
Yes, Ms. Jenny, who was supposed to produce Mr. Taduk? Mr. Radhan.
Yes.
Why is the chairman of the State Consumer Redressal Forum not being appointed till date?
That
Do you have any, can you just have some inclination on that?
I will have to inquire.
Just inquire, because there are proceedings pending here, because we have interfered, because the appellate forum is not there.
Yes, yes.
So that cannot go on for all times to be. Can you just use your good office for that?
Yes, yes.
When can I have it? 18?
Yes.
Week's time?
By Monday.
Monday, Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Counsel, we'll have it on Tuesday. Let Mr. Ratan have that instructions. Okay. Mr. Ratan, I'm not passing an order. You just place it on. It's item number 15. 15. It's item number 15 today. Mr. Ratan.
Yes.
Item number 15. List this matter again on the prayer of the parties. List this matter again on 12/3/2020. You have got the CD?
Yes.
What is that?
Here your accused is directly involved in purchasing the cannabis.
Try next week.
Yeah.
I'm not inclined.
My respective submission, the only statement of co-equal violation.
Can't help it. I'm not inclined.
He admitted.
You can try your luck next week. At least this bench will not be there. In these cases, that will not be of any.
Page 57.
Only
56 and 57.
Criminal prosecution is not there, madam. I was arrested from my own residence from Lakhimpur.
And the charge is that you have not yet, although everybody is saying that you are the man.
Yes, only statement of co-equal violence.
How come if you are not involved? And see, the only thing with me is that you will not be on release of from bail. You will not go back to that whole thing.
No, madam.
We are not in a position to. At least this court is not in a
Madam,
position.
I can assure you not.
Your assurance will not do, Mr. Counsel. It's my satisfaction. And I'm not being able to draw that
Well,
satisfaction.
there's no any addition. You must go to the, if you go to the case, there's no any addition, only allegation. by-
Maybe you have started off now.
But only statement of co-equal is not
You have
admission.
got the
Well,
connections now.
But I will then. no.
Next week.
Well,
Try next week. List this matter, but it should not come before me. List this matter again on the prayer of the parties. List this matter again on 13/3. 13 would be fine. 13/3/2020.
Specific mention.
The case diary as produced may be retained by the learned special counsel. Yes, madam, what is there?
Your Lordship,
Tell me what is, tell me.
CD clearly states that to his admitted fact, Your Lordship, he has been dealing.
And he's been caught
Yes,
with the material.
the material also he has submitted
Next
that.
week.
My lord,
Same order. List
my
it
lord,
down.
I want to submit.
You want me to hear this matter?
Yes, my lord.
Then I'll hear it. But result is against you. Or you want an adjournment? I'm giving you an option.
My lord,
You will not get good courts like this.
I'm placing the ground of medical, Your Honor.
No, forget the medical company.
My lord.
You are a danger to this society.
My lord.
Tentatively.
My lord, as far as.
Same order. Victoria, same order. Next week. When I'm not convinced, what should I? You try. Yes, madam. Why is she put inside?
Lordship,
The main accused, you have already allowed them to go.
Lordship, actually, Lordship, here, Lordship, yes, Lordship admitted that.
Fine.
Lordship.
It's a different transaction altogether. She is also a victim as far as the materials are concerned.
Yes.
The main accused, husband, wife, you have allowed them to go. Going.
Lordship, there are different stories, different Lordship. Here, Lordship, this lady, Lordship, is yet to recover certain Lordship ornament from her
I
Lordship.
got it.
Lordship.
That material she had not taken from the
Complaint.
informant or the victims. That was a different transaction by the accused person with her. Fine. The accused person, you caught them. Very serious allegation.
Lordship.
You caught them and you allowed them to go. What was the reason? What does the CD say? Why were they released?
Lordship,
And it's your categorical statement that we don't want them. Right? Why should her custodial interdiction be required?
Lordship,
And she is not in custody with your custody. She is in judicial custody now.
Lordship.
What is the use? 5 children suffering. She will cooperate. That's all we can say. We are.
Lordship, that's why, Lordship, this objection is because her non-cooperation, Lordship. His statement was there that she will cooperate,
She
but
will
after
suffer.
that.
She will suffer in the tribe. She will, I don't think so. This is not like this. Allowed with conditions.
I on behalf of the complainant.
Yes.
Lordship, here in the case is that the local ornaments, which is.
Mr. Counsel, did you make a objection?
Yes.
When Aruna Roy and Shankar Roy were released on bail? Did you file an application for cancellation of their bail?
That was not done.
Then, no.
Develop.
Go up on cancellation of this bail. We are passing through. Hello. Madam, you can keep this.
Your Lordship, the allegation in this case is that is under 341 robbery, wrongful restraint, grievous hurt, mischief, and
What is the case that it's saying?
it says that he is also there is another case, same kind of crime, Your Lordship.
Rejected. This I'm not going to enjoy. Rejected.
I'll make, of course, earlier it might have been.
Rejected, seems to be an habitual thing then. Your allegation. And say you were named. And your plea is that it was night. If it was night, how could he name? He named you. Police reached your house, took your wife and daughter. That may be illegal, but that shows that you are implicated. I don't think this is a
there are a group of
You will be required. Custodial interrogation will be
I'm definitely cooperating. I'm ready to.
You want to surrender before the police?
My lord, that's what I want to say. My lord, I may be allowed to surrender before the landed JMFC, before the police station. And on being surrendered, my lord, I'll file an application there. So that case, I think, if you will agree with me.
No, Your Lordship. How could the JMFC, there is no arrest warrant, how can he surrender before the JMFC?
We are rejecting. What happens. Rejected, huh?
Deeply.
Yeah, I'm good at everything about this. Or you want to take a chance?
I want to take chance.
Next week. 12th. 11th.
Deeply.
Item number 22.
Minutes, I'm appearing. This is the part art matter.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What's it recollect?
Yes. Where is that? The case diary?
Your Lordship, if I may, Your Lordship, I deeply apologize, but this case was being handled by Learned Counsel Theatre, Your Lordship. I'm not at all brief with this case, Your Lordship. Even if I produce
the Learned Counsel, you should have informed him.
I understand, Your Lordship. We have just been
He has
informed.
completed his submissions.
Yes, Your Lordship. If Your Lordship just fix it some other day, Your Lordship.
Another day, but this bench will not be there now. He'll have to re-argue the matter. Next week onwards, those matters will not come to me.
I have to make a request, Millard. Kindly appreciate, Millard. It is 418 and 423 IPC. And your Lordship recollect when I made my submission, 2 years is the provision. It is bailable and non-cognizable, compoundable offense.
We got it, sir. And the other part of yours, we are satisfied.
And even after 3 years, the FIR was of February 2021. It is more than 3 years. And kindly see the harassment or the pressure or the tension.
I got it. But they wanted to place their matter from the CD. Today, it seems that the council is having some inconvenience.
If I may just pray, Your Lordship, if Your Lordship gets the matter as a part heard, Your Lordship will come to this bench eventually.
Yes, please at least do that, Millard.
Sir, I'm not sure whether next week, what would be the situation?
Whatever the week.
Because that would be the last week my sitting here. My last week of sitting here would be the next week only. And if I'm recalled, I don't know. Let me call back to the principal bench, I don't know.
My only request is my learned.
No, I had gone in deep into the matter.
Correct.
And we'll take a chance on, sir, 14th would be fine with you because it would be a Thursday.
whatever date which is
Can he
convenient.
be
to
here
you,
on 14th?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Yes, Your Lordship.
But see, otherwise it will be a futile exercise.
But I'll make sure, Your Lordship, even if he's not present, I'll make sure that I at least go through the briefs of the case, Your Lordship.
You take it on yourself.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I'm sorry, Mr. Jindal, today. We'll have it on Thursday. And
Rakesh,
I'll ensure that the matter is closed on that day.
Rakesh had also come all the way from Guwahati for this matter.
Yeah, Mr. Dubey is a young man. He keeps on moving. You won't find him in Guwahati. Very frequent. He's always outside.
I know. No, I thought I'm the youngest man amongst all the three of us. Nonetheless, I'm only 78. Nonetheless, whatever is to convey to the court.
Sir, age is not the number. It's how you feel. I'm 52, but I think I feel more than 70 sometimes.
Because of the pressure every day you.
No, sir. The pressure that was there, the other side, I don't think it's much here.
Anyhow, it would be a pleasure to address you again.
Thursday, sir. Thursday. I've got my notes ready, no problem. We'll have it on Thursday. Thursday.
I will be only requesting, if my parallel matter is going on in Chennai or in Supreme Court, I will be requesting for a Passover or something like that.
No issue, sir. No issue. We are here till 4:15. Within that time, whenever it's convenient to you.
Lordship, please. I'm grateful and obliged.
Only request if your Lordship keep it as part heard.
I'll do that. Heard the Learned Senior Counsel for the petition at length.
ML Lahoti.
I know, sir.
Thank you.
List Ms. T. Ginny submits that the brief has been handed over to her today.
Yes, sir.
And the same was being argued by a colleague of hers. So accordingly, she praised that she be given an opportunity to go through the brief. Accordingly, fix this matter again on 14/3/2024. Full stop. No further adjournment would be granted in the matter. Full stop. List this matter on 14/3/2024 as a parted matter.
Deeply.
And Mr.
We are grateful.
Dubey, just give me a small right.
I'm
Much of thank you, sir.
Grateful.
May I, Madam?
If you can give me that note before the next day. You don't have a local counsel here?
No, madam.
How do you share this, Ms. Jenny here? Somebody has to give a written argument, which ID? Here. आपका मेल में देने से हो जाएगा? रजिस्ट्री का मेल है, मिल जाएगा? Yes.
May I, my lord? Well, what happened, my lord? The NIT e-tender was issued by the respondent authority on 3/10/2023, my lord. Now, what happened, my lord, on 30/11/2023, my lord, by impugn bid evaluation report, my lord, my bid was rejected, my lord.
You went up on appeal in this case? No.
No, my lord. Now, again, against that, my lord, we prepared a writ petition, my lord. By writ petition, our technical bid was, our financial bid was directed to be opened. Now, during that process, my lord, we submitted a representation, my lord, stating that there are so many lapses in the, my lord, technical bid of the private respondent. One of the beg solvency certificate.
Where is this 29? 29 is being listed today? WBC 29?
No, my lord, that has been disposed of, my lord.
Or disposed of?
Directing the respondent authorities to open my financial bid, my lord. I was by impugn order, my lord, my technical bid was rejected, my lord. By this judgment, my lord, this honorable court interfered in the
matter. Where is that judgment?
Page 20, my lord. Starts from page 20, my lord.
Of the IA?
Yes, my lord, of the IA.
Who is for the petition?
I am the petitioner.
So you are filed. So.
Yes. Page 24, 25 would be the relevant portion, my lord. Para 15, my lord. Para 13, my lord, the honorable court has interfered, my lord. This honorable court, my lord. Page 25, my lord.
Then what happened?
Then, my lord, I cross-checked the technical bit of the private respondent number 7, my lord.
No. Your technical bids were opened.
Yes, my lord, I was qualified, my lord.
Hmm.
My financial bid was opened on this 27th, my lord,
Hmm.
of February, my lord.
Hmm.
Before that, my lord, I cross-checked the technical bit of the private respondent, my lord. I found there are serious lapses, my lord.
Your bid value is more or less than the other bidders. We'll come to your technical.
Yes, my lord.
More or less than the other bidders.
More, my lord. More, yes, my lord. But no order has been passed, my lord.
Right. What happened thereafter?
Then, my lord, now we filed, my lord, there, this page 27, my lord. This is the bank solvency report, my bank solvency certificate. Now, as per the NIT, my lord, as per the clauses of NIT, my lord, it should have 6 months validity, my lord.
So respondent number 7 is the lowest bidder now.
Yes, my lord, L1. It
Okay,
says, my
what
lord.
is the technical fault you found in him?
Yes, my lord. The bank solvency report, my lord,
Where?
certificate, page 27, my lord.
These are not there in your writ petition.
It is there, my lord.
These factors are there.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
So, my lord, it does not.
Because as an interim order was not passed,
Yes,
you have filed this.
Yes, I am, my lord.
Okay.
Page 27, my lord. It does not contain any date, my lord. Bank solvency certificate.
Mr. Tarak, when you get such bank solvency certificates, you send it for clarification with the bank?
No, my lord, let me clarify. In earlier writ petition.
This is the only fault?
No, my lord. Oh.
No, WPC.
And my lord, EPF, my lord. EPF, Employees Provident Fund, my lord.
Where?
It has not been submitted, my lord.
Okay, these two.
And my lord, no similar nature of work and size, my lord.
3.
Yes, my lord. 3.
Similar nature not given.
Not given.
3 problems.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what do you have to say?
In WPC 29, he approached this honorable court stating the challenging the rejection of his technical bid. Then this honorable court accordingly interfered and directed the authority to open his financial bid. And after opening of the financial bid, L1 should be about the work. Then he come to realize that he is not L. Then he come along with another writ petition 67, alleging that documents of the.
Forget it. What do you have to say on that? What is your stand on that? He has come before us.
Yes, notice issue an earlier occasion, his interim order was not granted.
What is your stand? Have you got your instructions on that plea that he has taken now?
No, my lord, that will be different case. We will be filing affidavit in opposition.
When?
The last occasion it was.
I know that.
After 4 weeks, yes, after 4 weeks it was given.
No. The matter was
taken up on 13/2.
13/2.
Yes.
So 13/3, 4 weeks will be over.
Yeah.
We'll have it on 13/3. File your.
Until such time, my lord.
Will not.
No, my lord, let me submit. Otherwise also.
One thing, Mr. Tarak, we are not coming in his favor now. We are not passing any.
Yes.
But see, he has brought on record certain facts which may go vitiate your very technical evaluation.
That is appreciable. He should come along with that earlier petition.
Forget it. He has come now. Illegality has been brought to this notice. Whether it is an illegality or not will be determined after you come. You file your affidavit by 13th. You said 4 weeks. We are giving you 4 weeks. 13th.
Earlier petition, he come up with certain issues.
On the prayer of Mr. Chief Tarak, list this matter again on 14/3/2024. By which time it is expected that the department shall file their affidavit in the main writ petition. Full stop. Further orders as may be called for in the matter shall be passed on the next date on this.
No.
4 weeks.
My lord.
We'll give it to him. His court also said 4 weeks.
My lord.
It will be over on 13th.
My lord.
We'll have it on 14th.
My lord.
And then consider your case.
My lord.
That time Mr. Tarak will also have his instructions.
My lord.
And Mr. Tarak satisfies that your pleas are all gone, we'll ask you to go.
Yes, my lord. Obliged.
Mr. Tarak, file, this is serious, file your return. Or get written instructions with regard to all the 3 pleas that he has taken. That will also do for the school.
Yes, ma'am.
From your competent authority. You need not file an affidavit. If you can file nothing like it.
Yes.
But at least for the purpose of consideration of the interim prayer, that interim application, get a written instruction, detailed written instruction, countering the arguments he has raised.
Yes,
Right?
if they file, I don't have any case, my lord.
But my lord, my concern is
See,
he cannot
such
keep
a
on
fair
filing.
man.
He cannot keep on.
Such a fair man.
He cannot
said,
keep on filing writ
such a fair
petition
man.
in this manner.
You give it to me, I will dismiss the petition.
Earlier he come with another issue, now again other issues.
Earlier, he was for his personal thing. Now he is for public.
Oblige.
Well, item number 25 is IA ballot for implement ballot. In this case, what happened is that writ petition is already pending. The petitioners earlier this one, the applicant was the petitioner in the writ petition 436. What happened was that some other people, they have filed IA and then the applicant's name was struck out from the list of the petitioner ballot. Without the knowledge, without any authority. They were never authorized, but then they were struck out from the list of the petitioner. And they came to know about that, then only they are filing this present application for again to implement in the writ petition ballot. And order is in page 28. It's starting from page I8 order ballot, page 28. The applicants are petitioner in the writ petition ballot.
Show me the order by which it was.
Yes, ballot. Order is ballot in page 28 ballot. Operative person is in page 39. May I read the operative person ballot? 39. In this, the applicants are serial number serial 8, 11, 13, 17, 18, 51.
Who was the original counsel? Mr. Lolan was the original counsel.
Oh yes, Lolan was the original counsel for the IA.
And who is now appearing for the writ petitioners?
Writ petition, I am appearing for the writ petition. 439.
You are Mr. Mao.
Yes, madam.
How come that application was filed? If you had not signed.
That's what, my lord. They asked for their.
What is that?
As per their IA, they said.
IA है क्या record में? ये
IA was disposed.
9/9/24. Do you deny your signatures in?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. They
File
have
a review for this.
My lord, they have declared an affidavit saying that they have not authorized and they were not aware of that. So we have enclosed the declaration, affidavit of declaration before the Audit Commissioner, my lord. It's in our IA annexure, my lord. And there will be many more the petitioners who were struck out. They're all the villagers, they are not aware of that.
No, this is serious.
Yes.
It is not an issue that only by filing by this, but if this application was not under your authority, how could this application be filed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Ratan. This is what to do.
Yes, my lord. Here,
because
allegation
here
is
say,
against Anil Lamnyo. Saying that they have not authorized.
Others have given their thumb.
Yes.
Now, if that be so, this is a serious matter.
Therefore, in fact, Anil Lamnyo also should be made a respondent here because allegations are against him.
Who is this? And who was the counsel appearing? Is he available today?
Mr. Lolan, Kemo Lolan, he's not available today.
What will he do? He got a wakalat.
Yes.
But Mr. Mao, we will not do it in this manner.
The best person to clarify this will be Anil Lamnyo. and he has to be therefore.
You implement him as a respondent, please ask him to be there. His name has also been struck off.
Yes.
My lord, Anil Lamnu, yes, his name also been struck off.
Is he a applicant now in your case?
No,
No.
he is not applicant in my case. He filed another application, that is implement application. He has not even met as a respondent, but he has mentioned his son's name in the other implement application.
Which is the one? Which is the one? Item number? IN number?
Yes. IN number, my lord, implement application, item number 10, my lord.
10.
10 IN, my lord.
One sir. ISC 10. Just a minute. 10.
10.
Royal Lamino.
My lord.
Who is the counsel here?
My lord.
Yes.
Lord, here, my lord, we are praying to implement as a respondent in this case, my lord.
I know that. But why did you file? Why did your applicant file this Anil revenue? Oh, he is not. Anil is not here.
No, my lord. We have separate set up, my lord, applicant, my lord, in this case.
In this application, he has mentioned serial number 34 is the son of Anil Lamnu.
Son, what will we do?
Yes, madam.
Mr. Radhan.
I-9, by which they were struck off. It seems Anil Lamyan has drawn the affidavit. Therefore,
He'll have to come.
Yeah.
Anil Lamanu. Okay. Yours is IA 44.
IA 44, madam.
Mr. Given the controversy arising in the present proceedings, the Shri
Anil Lamyan.
Anil Lamnu, Lamniu, madam, Milana, son of late Solung Lamnu, resident of Lamniu village, PO/PS Kenewa, East Kameng district, Arunachal, is directed to be implemented as respondent number 9. Yeah, ISC 44 में होगा ना 2024 full stop. Raised it to make the necessary corrections in the cost title and also upload the name of the newly implemented respondent in the CIS. Full stop. At this stage, the applicant is directed to take steps for service of notice only on the respondent number 9. Full stop. In the present application, the applicants who were initially writ petitioners in WPC number 439 AP 2022 allege that by way of filing IA 9 of 2024, their names were struck off from the array of petitioners. However, they had never authorized filing of any such application and for deletion of their names. And such action was taken by the applicant number 1 in IAC 9 of 2024, Sri Anil Lamnu. Full stop. Okay? Uske baad, niche hum jo last hai, list this matters again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry after no service of notice is complete upon the respondent opposite party number 9. Petition here petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondent number 9. Can you do Dusty?
Yes, I can.
By registered post with AD as well as by Dusty mode routed through the registry of this court. Petition applicants to file an affidavit upon effecting such service of notice upon the respondent number 9 by way of Dusty mode. Let him come, we'll see.
In my eye, my lord, last occasion notice was issued, my lord.
We'll see together.
My lord, an institution for appearing is going to know.
Mr. Pada, Learned Counsel. Writ में लिखेगा ये फाइल जब कलम Mr. Pada, Learned Counsel, heard the Learned Counsel for the petitioner as well as the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Mr. Upada, Learned Counsel.
Page 26.
Deputy Commissioner.
No, my lord, 5.
5. Executive Director NHIDC.
Yeah.
Has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 5. That is Executive Director NHIDC.
All right.
Yes,
Yes.
Bank, we have not changed anything.
5,200.
Yes. No, we are not in such a financial position to, my lord. This would amount to regularizing them, my lord.
Yes, Mr. President.
Heavy burden.
My lord, my humble submission, that would be the.
It seems that our stars don't meet.
My lord, if my lord kindly turn to page number 8 of their epitome, my lord.
8. Page 8. Okay. Respondent number 4. No.
4.
Apex Bank, yes. Page 8 is their statement. This is their swearing.
They here also they have provided some figure of the salary, my lord, page number 8, my lord.
Of their affidavit.
My lord.
Tai Tachu.
Taitasu, yes, my lord. Page number 8, my lord.
3, 4.
Para 13, my lord.
Para 13.
1, 3, my lord.
Okay, that is page number 7 here.
7. In my case, 8.
What is this?
My lord, I find this, they try to show, my lord, some difference, my lord, in our pay scale, my lord. This is in response of,
What is this paragraph 13, Mr. Counsel?
my lord, kindly gross pay is, my lord, 26,382, my lord. Pay
That is
allowed-
gross.
my lord,
Yes.
gross. And
Lordship, one thing like the scale that has been given to peon, my lord, is 5,200. Lordship is already seen.
Wait. I just scraped through in my maths papers.
Yes.
Very difficult.
5,200, Lordship. To 20,200.
Oh.
That scale, Lordship.
That's not the what. Maybe after coming this side, I have developed a little bit interest in maths. You come to that page, para 7, 13.
my lord.
What is this they are showing is, it's same as what you have shown in page 12, para 13 of your
My lord,
writ petition.
my lord,
26,382
my lord,
minus 15,000 is 11,382.
my lord.
But that is not the intendment of para 61 of Jagjit Singh. Para 61, if you can come to page 12 of your writ petition.
My lord.
Huh?
My lord.
It is only pay band and grade pay, 9,900, 9,910. This is your entitlement. You're not entitled to the next things. Para 61.
My lord, I'm sure, my lord, this, my lord, after this 7th pay commission, my
They
lord.
have not given, that is
No.
a stay undertaking. His
Yes, sir.
categorical statement. That in the bank, there is no revision, this is what is continuing. We will record that, his statement.
If, my humble submission, my lord, if my lord category direct, my lord, on the written instruction on my lord, whether this.
We believe him. We believe him. If there is something wrong, he will be in trouble. You get my point? You can always file a review that we were misled. But why should we disbelieve him? He says that this is the amount still paid.
Yes, yes. No change, sir.
26,382.
Yes, sir.
With increments maybe.
Yes, 5,200 scale, my lord. That is the scale given as basic laws.
Basic.
They have not changed. That's the category statement of the author.
And you are interested with the scale of the peon?
Yes.
No, my lord, I am interested in computer operator, messenger, and peon.
You have been
Next,
appointed as computer operators.
my lord, petitioner, my lord,
Contingency computer operator.
my
Okay.
lord. Petitioner, there is a different set of petitioner, my lord. Petition number 2,
Computer
3, 4, 5,
operator.
my lord, is computer operator, my lord.
So petitioner, which petitioners have been appointed as how? What are the posts?
Petition number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, my lord, are contingency computer operator, my lord.
1, 2,
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5. Contingency.
Computer operator.
Um,
6, 7, and 8, my lord, contingency messenger.
6, 7, and 8.
Contingency messenger, my lord.
Contingency messenger.
And 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 contingency peon, my lord.
9, 10, 11,
12, 13, and 14, my lord.
13, and 14. Contingency peon. Right?
My lord. My lord, my humble submission, my lord, after this 7 pay commission, my lord, there is no chance, my lord, that they did not add a.
If they are not giving it to their employees, how can we direct them to give it to you?
My lord,
Show me the law.
My lord will not direct, my lord, to give me the benefit of 7 pay commission. My lord will simply direct in terms of
I will say that para 61 I will quote.
Yes, my lord.
And that has to be followed.
Yes, my lord.
And I'll clarify that is basic pay and grade pay.
My lord, that will be the my.
Mr. Counsel,
Yes,
how
sir.
far is this bank?
It's a very,
It's in Naharlagun only?
Yes, pathetic condition, but.
Can you just get me a written thing from your competent authority?
Yes.
That come to page 12 of the writ petition.
Yes, Lord.
Right? Page 12.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Para 13. Pay band computer operator, grade pay. Basic pay, we are only concerned, 9,910.
Okay.
That they are still drawing this amount or the amount that they are drawing today. Basic pay band and grade pay only. That much only. Can you just a line at 2 o'clock if you can just place it with me. Just one line.
Can it be taken up tomorrow, Lordship? Just
Tomorrow.
I'll take instruction only, my lord. Okay.
Monday.
Monday.
Yes.
Huh? Lordship, and then
Have a written instruction.
Yes, and one
Because
more,
Mr. Preme is right.
one more thing, Lordship.
He may have a point there. Just have a written instruction.
No, one more thing, just Lordship. This because the order will affect the petition number 5, my lord, and 14. They have long left the bank.
Long left the bank.
Yes.
You get that also instruction.
Yes.
On the prayer of Mr.
Pitapur.
Learned Counsel for the respondent bank, list this matter again on Monday 11. Saturday को खुला है क्या? Saturday कोर्ट खुला है तो हो जाएगा Monday listing. Problem तो नहीं होगा Monday.
I'll take it.
Yes.
I don't know, 27.
Yes, Mr. Kamdar. Mr. Tama is appearing for respondent number 6.
Hearing discuss, Lordship.
Huh?
No, Lordship. Respondent number 6, Lordship, has not yet appeared.
Have you taken steps?
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm?
We have taken steps, Lordship.
Steps not taken upon respondent number 6. However, a copy of the petition has been served upon Advocate T. Taba on behalf of respondent number 6, but Wakalatnama not yet filed.
Yes, in fact, that day we have served the copy because.
Wait. Who is respondent number 6 here?
Pacho Enterprise, Lordship.
Is he a standing counsel?
No, standing counsel means Mr. Pitcher.
Pacho International is Mr. Taba a standing counsel? Huh?
That, Lordship, I do not have the idea, Lordship.
Wait, Mr. Taba is not here. Taba का नाम भी नहीं लिखा है। क्या दिखाएगा? Yes, Mr. Counsel.
Lordship.
Without respondent number 6, now how can we proceed?
Lordship, we have taken the step.
No steps have been taken here. That's what the note is. You have just given a copy to Mr. Taba.
Who is not also authorized.
No, cannot be. That cannot be. We cannot accept it.
Lordship, we have taken the step, Lordship. We'll just.
But the office note does not reflect. If you have not taken, take immediately.
Yes, Lordship.
The office note dated 6/3/2024
Today
reflects that the steps upon respondent number 6 was not taken. However, a copy of the petition has been served upon Learned Counsel T. Taba on behalf of respondent number 6. However, it is seen that Mr. T. Taba has not filed any wakalatnama on behalf of accepted respondent before in the present proceedings. Accordingly, the petitioner is directed to take steps by within the course of the day.
Yes.
For service of notice upon respondent number 6 by way of registered post with AD. Do you want to take
Dusty also, Lordship.
along with effecting service upon respondent number 6 by way of by Dusty mode routed through the registry of this school? The petitioner shall file an affidavit after effecting service upon the respondent number 6 through Dusty mode. List this matter immediately on filing of the said affidavit by the petitioner.
We'll check out, Lordship, if we have taken the step of not.
Please do so. Please do so. And if not, take that step. Come back. I'm here next week. We will consider the matter.
Obliged, Lordship.
Otherwise, the matter is ready, but without respondent number 6 presence, we cannot proceed.
True, Lordship. True, Lordship.
Item number 31. 31 to 40. Similar matter.
When did I fix the other matter?
19.
19, my lord.
लिखिए had Mr. K. Saxena, learned counsel for the petitioner. 31 to 40.
40.
मैंने एक ही साथ नहीं, एक करके मारिएगा. Same order. Saxena and also Mr. Opada, learned special public prosecutor, SIC, bracket BIG. Also, the present application is being filed, praying for enlarging the applicant on pre-arrest bail in connection with आपका ये नंबर सब में मिलेगा पेज पहला वाला पेज में ये मैडम खाली देख के ये 8 होगा नेक्स्ट में शायद 9 होगा 10 होगा ऐसा होगा वो चेंज करके वो खाली लिख दीजिए लिस्ट दिस मैटर अगेन ऑन 19/3/2024 on which date say or Pada shall invariably produce the updated case diary of the matter for perusal of the scope.
All right.
अब मैडम खाली वो नंबर्स एक बार देख लीजिए.
Item number 41.
Yes,
Yes,
Counsel.
Your Lord.
Who is, nobody is opposing you, free goal. Oh, that football coach.
Yes, Your Lord.
You withdrew this application last time because they, okay. Issue, heard Mr.
T. Gyadi.
T. Gyadi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice Any public prosecutor? Can you just call a public prosecutor?
Your lordship, till then interim maybe.
Not in this case.
Because because here the complainant is the.
I'm sorry, your
brother-in-law.
Your conduct does not warrant. She is a very minor girl till today. Maturity of a girl cannot do her underage.
No,
You get my point? Maturity, by on the plea of maturity, you can't have anything with the girl.
No, your lordship,
Minor girl.
because her parents and guardians stated that during that time, your lordship, because he entered in the school very late. That is why your lordship, the birth
You have brought on record materials.
Yes.
To show that she.
But birth certificates made in 2016, your lordship. During the studying in class 4, as per the record, your lordship.
Last time there were those certificates. Now I don't think so. It's here. And the Aadhaar card is 2006. 2006 on is madam, kitna hoga 20 mein? 14 years. 14 years.
Your lordship, birth certificate. Birth certificate issue date is 6/6/2016. Page 15.
Page
15. Last issue date of issue 6/6/2016. Where is in 16? The victim is studying in class 4.
16.
Yes.
10 years. Fine. 10 years.
No, that is where this certificate is made as per
the certificate
admission.
and the
Where
Aadhaar
it
card.
is-
And the Aadhaar card also supports that date 28/2006.
Yeah, that is
And you have also said in your petition last time, I clearly remember that although she was underage, but she looked.
No,
mature.
I'm not here that they are the underage because I'm look look her as mature. And it
Mature is
though
different.
he though
Yes, what do you say, madam?
Yes, Your Lordship, this document that they have annexed, Your Lordship.
Clearly
It's
shows.
not, yes, it's clearly shows, but then it's not a part of the, at present, it's not part of the, with CD, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship, with
CD has
regard.
come.
No. This is the first time. However, Your Lordship, if Your Lordship see the FIR, Your Lordship.
See, madam, this 2006 also we take her date of birth. Still a minor.
Minor, 17
Even
years.
That is why all this birth certificate this is manufactured because
Okay, let's have the case diary. Issue
because
notice.
they're due to enter of the
Heard Mr. So also heard, madam. T. Ginny, learned additional public prosecutor. This is an application preferred by the applicant for grant of pre-arrest bail in connection with SEPA Women PS case number 02/2024 under section 376 IPC, read with section 6 of the POSCO Act. Also, call for the case diary in connection with the above noted case. List this matter again on 13.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, 14th, Your Lordship.
14/3 will be ready.
Deep review.
May it please, Lordship.
Where is the FIR?
FIR is annexure.
Page number
annexure
13.
Your Honor, page number 13, yes.
What is the name of the Sunny Ratan? AB?
Yes, sir.
Maybe.
Who has issued this wanted thing, page 15, by the police or by some?
By the police, Your Lordship.
By the police. Hentogama has been arrested?
No, Your Lordship.
No.
If your lordship permits to highlight very quickly the brief facts of this case.
Just a moment.
Yes. You know, here, without going to the main petition right now, if we talk to the FIR, the FIR was filed on 31st January. The FIR was filed on 31st January and without any notice, lordship, to the applicant here in this matter. Without any notice to the applicant on 27th February 2024, lordship, the police has circulated wanted poster.
What is this notice at page 16?
Yeah. Lordship, if I take lordship to the dated of the notice 41A.
21.
28.
1.
Yes, lordship. So that is.
And you were expected to appear on?
Prior to registration.
29/2/2024.
This, and the notice wanted poster was published on 27th.
Okay. Get the CD.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I pray that in meantime, lordship, until disposal of this case, lordship may be kindly
Not
grant interpretation. Because lordship.
I'm sorry.
If lordship permits me to make submission in this one, lordship. Lordship, why I'm praying for the interim protection? Because lordship, here in the FIR clearly shows that no name has been mentioned. Petitioners were not named in this.
Say the connection has been made through your mobile. Right? Your name?
G. Ubin, lordship.
G?
G. Ubin, lordship.
G. Ubin, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. T. Ginny, additional PP, appearing for the state respondents. List, issue notice, call for the case diary in connection with Shantipur PS case number 1 of 2024 under section 307 30/34 IPC. List this matter when?
14 itself.
14/3/2024. 14, Mr. Counsel, try your luck on 14. Let us have this CD. Let's see how it has been processed.
There is another case in related to the same FIR. It was mentioned this morning, but then this has not been listed in the cause list.
Yes, my lord. I didn't put other accused.
It does not come. We'll have it together then on Monday, on 14th itself.
Yes, Your Lordship.
One is 14 को लगा दीजिए. It's numbered. No. Case number is with you.
No, yet to register.
Yet to register. तो आने से उसको 14 को लगा दीजिए. Same. इसके साथ लगा दीजिए. AB 54/24, right? Done with AB 54/24. Done with? हो गया? और कुछ है बाकी? यह चाहिए तो मुझे फाइल मुझे दे दीजिए आने से. We'll pass Mr. Odi. We'll list it on with this matter on 14.